Come on, start the class, please. Now look here, today in polynomial sessions, first we are going to solve, we'll start from the basic of the questions, okay. Last class questions also at the last we are going to do, but at the beginning what we are going to do is, we will start the polynomial questions. Are you ready for it? Now please ma'am inform the students to join. Now look here, the first question here is, now pay attention, for maths, the first question, we know that polynomial is of different degrees, okay. So one question comes like, what is the degree? They will ask you about the degree of the polynomial. So if somebody will ask you about the degree of the polynomial, which of the following is a cubic polynomial? Cubic polynomial means maximum degree must be 3. What is the meaning of cubic polynomial? The meaning of cubic polynomial means the maximum degree must be 3. So here, when you are solving, just check this one out. What is the maximum degree here? When we are checking, here maximum degree is 2. Here maximum degree is 4. Here maximum degree is 3, but it is exactly down. Here maximum degree is 3, but 1 by, when E of x will be written as 1 by x to the power 3 plus x3, first it is not a polynomial. Because polynomial says, good evening beta, so polynomial says a very important point. The polynomial says that don't give me negative degrees. Understood? Don't give me fraction degrees and don't give me negative degrees. These two things are very much restriction for polynomial. So here, polynomial, if you will be seeing here, you must watch one very important point there. Here x to the power 1 by x to the power 3 is there, which will make it not a polynomial. Is it a polynomial? No, ma'am, it is not a polynomial. So this part, first part, it is not at all a polynomial. So here, x to the power minus 3 plus x to the power 3 does not makes it a polynomial. Though it is having a degree of 3 with minus 3, it will not be a polynomial. Did you got this point? Now that means what? Our this option, this is a quadratic polynomial. This is biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic means maximum degree is coming as what? 4. So it is not a biquadratic polynomial also. Maximum degree is coming as 4. So now it is not possible. I will send the shared link to me also. Okay. So here this is highest degree is exactly coming as 3. So since the highest degree is coming as 3, this will be exactly called as what? Cubic polynomial. What it will be considered as? Cubic polynomial. Very good. Good evening, child. So this is exactly called as cubic polynomial. Today we are doing polynomial revisions with us. Now look here. Now we will go for next question. Come on, start answering the question. The polynomial 2x minus x square plus 5 is equation, trinomial, binomial or monomial. This is exactly. What is the correct answer in option wise you can give? What is the word called as trinomial? Trinomial means 3 terms will be there. They're not asking actually here about degrees. Okay. So must think about what they're actually asking here. Here they're not asking about degree. What they're actually asking here, how many terms are there? Monomial means one single term. Binomial means 2 terms. Trinomial means 3 terms. So when trinomial word is coming, so here trinomial part means 3 terms. So here the correct answer is trinomial. Exactly the answer is B. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on, say. So this is exactly called as trinomial. So our correct answer coming here is B. I hope you might have understood. Very good. The answer is exactly correct. It is trinomial. Exactly, this term is exactly called as trinomial. Very good. So shall we go for next question, beta? Are you ready for the next question? Come on. Let's see who is going to answer this question. Degree of a polynomial. What is the maximum degree of polynomial here? 2. Check highest degree. What is the highest degree? 2. So highest degree is 2. So it is what type of polynomial? Can you tell me? Quadratic polynomial. Very good. Answer is correct, Sharon. Everyone please kindly give answer as fast as possible. So the correct answer is 2. Ma'am, there are students to join fast. Now go for this question. Which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable which are not? State reason for your answer. Okay, so here what we are exactly searching is, we are searching a polynomial of degree 1. Degree 1 means, see, which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable? In one variable, polynomials in one variable means only one variable will be there. Please don't mistake it by the degree part. Okay, polynomial in one variable means the variable can either be x, or variable can be y, or variable can be z. So here polynomial in one variable can be x, y, or z. I hope you might have understood. So polynomial in one variable here means that here we are exactly checking polynomial in one variable means, polynomial in one variable means here this is one variable, this is one variable, this is one variable, this is one variable, all have variables. Okay, so one variable only. Here what is the variable is y. Here what is the variable is y. Here what is the variable is x. Here what is the variable is t. Here what is the variable is here, 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 t. But the most important question is, which one is polynomial? Which one is polynomial? So our search must be, because I taught you a very important point, that polynomial must not have negative degree and polynomial must not have degree in fraction. So these are the two things we have to avoid. What are the two things we have to avoid? Polynomial must not have a negative degree and polynomial must not have fraction. So these are the two important things polynomial is searching for. So let's see what answer we are exactly going to get here. Come on, are you ready for it? So this is a polynomial. What is the highest degree? 2. This is a polynomial. What is the highest degree? 2. This is a polynomial or not? No. It is not at all a polynomial. Why it is not at all a polynomial? Good evening, Bhavya. Can you start answering questions, please? Yes, it is not at all a polynomial because it will become y plus y to the power minus 1. The moment y to the power minus 1 will come, it will become a negative section. And negative is never a polynomial. Negative degree is never a polynomial. That we must always remember. So we will cut this one out. This is not at all a polynomial. Now here, root is exactly coming. X to the power 1 by 2 plus 4. So when you are talking about x to the power 1 by 2 plus 4, 1 by 2 on the power is not at all polynomial. Shall check, ma'am? Okay, so x to the power 1 by 2 is not at all making it as a polynomial. Shweta understood? Sneha, na? Smita understood, na? Now we will go for this one. Can you check this one out? Is it a polynomial? Yes, very good. Sweta, is it a polynomial? Yes, it's a polynomial. Beta, what is the degree of the polynomial? Highest degree. Come on, second. The highest degree is 3. Absolutely bang on the point. Now we will go for this one. Is it a quadratic polynomial? Yes, it is a quadratic. Highest degree 2. What is the highest degree? Here is 2. Now we will go for this one. Is it a polynomial? Bhavya, come on. Chahil, Bhavya. Yes, keep on, just put the point and just explain that. Is it a polynomial? Is it a polynomial? No, it's not a polynomial. Why it's not a polynomial, Amrish? Why it is not a polynomial? It is not a polynomial because of a reason. What is the reason behind? Because it is having cubic root. If you will write it, it will become t to the power 1 by 3 plus t square. So t to the power 1 by 3, just eliminate it from getting a polynomial. That's the most important point here. We must remember here. Correct, child? So here, again t is exactly having 1 by 2 as power. So t is having 1 by 2 as power means, is it a polynomial? No, it's not a polynomial. Understood? Because root is there. That's the correct answer. Yeah, numbers are having root is not at all a problem. See, don't get confused by this. If numbers are having degrees, then it is a polynomial. That short also it is a polynomial. Let's check this one out. Let's check this one out. Good afternoon, good afternoon, Shanvi. Is it Shanvi? Now look here. So if numbers, see, look here. First, you need to check only two things here. You need to check two things here. That's most important is the polynomial should not have a negative degree and the polynomial should not have root. Specifically, see, numbers, constants are having root is not a problem. But variable should not have root. So now I'll show you some examples. With that, it will become easy for you. Now let's check this one out, Vita. Check this one out. So if any polynomial p of x is equal to root under x plus 3 is written, then 100% it is not a polynomial. Why it is not a polynomial? Because variable is having root. Understood? Polynomial only understands that constant numbers. What are the constant numbers? Like whole numbers on the degree. Whole numbers on the degrees. That only they are understanding. Understood? Fractions on the degree part, they are not understanding. Means they are not understanding in the sense it is not at all a polynomial. It does not fit in the definition of polynomial. Understood? So shall we go for one more example? Because you are having doubt in this section. So come on, check this one out. Is it a polynomial? P of x is equal to root 3 x to the power 2 plus root 5. Is it a polynomial? Come on, say yes or no. Is it a polynomial? Is it a polynomial? See, that's the biggest catch. Now come on, online children, inform me, is it a polynomial or not a polynomial? Either the answer will be yes or no. It's not a polynomial. Okay? Come on, others. It's not a polynomial. The correct answer is it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Why? Because variable to the power 2 is there. Variable is not having, you need to understand that the biggest pillar here in polynomial is the variable part. So you must understand this section that variable to the power whole numbers are a part of polynomial. The coefficient, what is coefficient here? The coefficient is root under 3. The coefficient of x to the power 2 is root under 3. So if coefficient of x to the power 2 is root under 3, it makes it a polynomial. Come on. It makes it a polynomial. I hope you might have understood. So variable to the power 2, but coefficient is root 3 is polynomial. Are you understanding? So you should not be confused about it. Don't get confused about it. Okay? Just be relaxed and answer the questions. Did you understood what you have to do here? Huh? So polynomial, come on, one more example, let's check this one out. P of x is equal to 1 by 2 x to the power 4 minus root 2 x square plus 4. Is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. And why it is a polynomial? What makes it is a polynomial? Because see here, x to the power 4 is there. X to the power 4 means what? Absolute whole numbers are there, na? So if it is a whole number, it is not going to make any trouble for us, correct? Na? So here x to the power 4, x to the power 2, they are giving us a root for polynomial. I hope you might have understood this part. Come on, check. Chahel. Everyone, yes? Huh? Yeah, fraction does not create any problem. Fraction is not at all going to create a problem. What is the problem with fraction? See, polynomial is having a coefficient. See, the variables are having a coefficient. The coefficient can be any real number. Understood? Root is also a part of real number. Understood? Root is what? Irrational number. And irrational number is real number. Absolute, the coefficients can be that. So don't get confused with that. Understood? Crystal clear information must be needed when you are handling polynomial. I hope you got this point. Come on, say this. Is it okay for you? Did you understood this point? So if fractions are also there, it's a part of polynomial. Coefficients can be fraction. Coefficients can be root. Got it? Coefficient means the number which is with variable. Amrish, you are understanding? Huh? Child understood? So now look at the number with coefficient. So now we will do one word. Come on, children, get ready for it. Are you ready? Now look at. We will do one small word. We will try to find out this answer. So here, 4x to the power 4 minus 3 by 2 x square plus root under 8. Is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. And why it is a polynomial? Because we know nicely that polynomial, yes, the variable degree is whole number. But if variable degree will not be a whole number, then it is a problem. Variable degree not a whole number, then it is a problem. But variable, yes, it is a polynomial. Absolutely correct. Children, keep on answering the question as fast as possible. Okay. So once the question is given to you, try to solve. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. What is the coefficient of x square here? I don't know. Just type and say. What is the coefficient of x square here? A. What is the coefficient of x square? 5. It will not be 5. It will be minus 5. It will be minus 5. It will be 4. It will be 2. Now you understood? Polynomial can have root. Constant as root is possible. Constant as root is possible. It will make it as a polynomial. Did you got my point, children? Understood it nicely or not? Understood? What happened, beta? Can you see the screen? Everybody's screen is visible. Just again you go and again you join as live. Then you will be able. Beta. So shall we go for the next question, please? Now, come on, go for this question. It's a very good question. Come on, children, one by one. You itself try to answer the question. And the question session starting now. Come on, do it as fast as possible. What is our question is? The coefficient of x cube. What is the coefficient of x cube? 5. What is the coefficient of x cube? 7. What is the coefficient of x cube? 5. Now look here. 2 by 5 is there or not? Is it a polynomial? Yes. Doubts got clear or not? Doubts got clear. This is a very massive doubt by the student. That please, ma'am, 2 by 3 is coming in with a coefficient as a constant in coefficient part. Is it a polynomial? What answer you are going to give? It's a polynomial. What answer you are going to give? It is a polynomial. Now, is it a polynomial? Yes. What is the coefficient? 2. What is the coefficient? 1. What is the coefficient? 5. What is the coefficient? This is a catch. This is the catch. Here only the biggest problem is there. They played with you. Here, what and all constant numbers are there? Check beta. Check one time. Is it coming now? See here. Coefficient of y cube 1. Coefficient of x cube minus 16. Because here two different variables are there, and all the different variables. Please kindly check this one out. Two different variables are there, x and y, and their highest degree is what? 3. So what is the coefficient of y cube? 1. What is the coefficient of x cube? Minus 16. Absolute. Very good. Now can you tell me what is the highest? Minus 4. How is the session? Is it very difficult? You are learning. So the most important thing is, before exams we must learn very nicely. You told polynomial route. Is the polynomial now okay? Now write down each of the following polynomial. Write the degree of each of the following polynomial. What is the highest degree here? 5. What is the highest degree? 8. What is the highest degree? 1. Oh no, the highest degree here is 0. The highest degree here is 0. Nothing written here means I can write any variable to the power 0. Any variable to the power 0 is considered as 1. Any variable to the power 0 is considered as 1. Now here, what is the highest degree? 1. So if any constant number is there, what is the degree of that polynomial? If any constant is there, what is the degree of the polynomial? 0 now. So here, x to the power 0. So we can write any variable first, correct? So we can write here 5 to the power z to the power 0. We have all provisions here. We can write 5z to the power 0 also. We can have anything, correct now? So this is one of the most important clue given to you. Is it okay for you? Which one? This one. The highest degree is 1. Because y is there now. And y nothing written means 1. The last one exactly the highest degree is considered as 1. I hope you might have understood. Come on, say. Now, next one. This is exactly, see. 0 means 3 to the power, 3 written means 3 to the power, x to the power 0 means what it is coming as? 3 only. Any variable, constant number if it is written, no variable is written means what we are supposed to do. any constant, variable, not there written, sorry, not written there means what you are going to do, what you are supposed to do. You do only one small work, and that small work is considered any variable to the power 0. Any variable to the power 0. Shweta, if somebody will give you -7, then what variable you are going to write there? X to the power 0. Understood? So what is the degree of the variable? The degree of the variable in that case is 1. Did you got my point? Please children, come on, say. You understood or not? Yes? So now we'll go for the next one. Write the coefficient of y in the expansion. This is CBSE 2016 question. Expansion. What is the highest degree? First you see this. See, write the coefficient of y in expansion of y 5 minus y square. So in expansion means we will expand it like this. It is 5 minus y whole square. It is coming as a square minus 2ab plus b square. Understood? So here what is a square beta? 5 square. Come on. And then screen is not clear. Here screen is absolutely clear. You do one thing, you come out and then you join again. Screen will be clear beta because here screen is coming fully clear. Children, is the screen clear? Yeah, one time you leave and again join, it will be clear only. Now children, can you say me this answer? So, see, what is the answer coming here is, this part will become 25 minus 10y plus y square. What is the coefficient of y square? 1. Coefficient of y square is 1. Coefficient of y minus 10. Coefficient of y is minus 10. And coefficient, this is a constant term. Understood? And the answer is coming as 25. Did you got my point? So the degree 0 will have 25. I hope everybody understood. Come on, start answering the question. Go and check. If the light is not red means you are not live. If the light is not red means you are not live. Live means you will be putting this light, red light will be shown. Okay? So directly you go and convert yourself into live. Okay? Factorize the following suitable identities. Come on, we need to factorize it. Let's check this one out. How to solve this question? I'm going to solve the factorization part. Now start writing. Children, start writing the factorization part. Here, factorization part I am going to write and I am going to teach. Come on, go for it. Ready? Now first factorization I am going to do. Please understand what more factorization they are needing from you. Children, look here. Our first question is this one. Question given to you is x square minus y square plus 2x plus 1. First one what we will do is, we will separate the variables. Okay, we will separate the variables means, we will separate x variable and y variable. So what we can write finished here, x square plus 2x plus 1. One side we have taken this one. Now next part minus y square. So here it is coming as x plus 1 whole square, because it is coming in the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. X square plus 2x plus 1, what is the formula? Come on, say fast. X square plus 2x plus 1 is nothing but x plus 1 whole square. What is that? X plus 1 whole square. So when x plus 1 whole square you are dealing, then here what you have to do? You have to here y square is there. Now we know one formula. This is exactly what formula beta? This is coming as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this two are coming in one format. What is that format? A square minus b square. So it is coming as a plus b into a minus b. It is coming as what beta? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So here this part will become x plus 1 time plus will be coming plus y and 1 time it will become x plus 1 minus y. So overall answer will come x plus y plus 1 and here x minus y plus 1. Did you got it? So now again I am explaining what actually you have to do here. X square minus y square plus 2x plus 1 is there. So what actually we did here is we kept x square, x part as one side, y square we shifted another side. So when we shifted y square another side, what we have done actually is x plus 1 whole square and y square is coming. So a is coming as a square minus b square. And what is the formula for a square minus b square? A plus b, a minus b. Shweta, you understand it? Both of you understood this one? Can you note down, beta? Nicely note down, step by step note down. Child, you understood? Come on. Children say, did you understood this point? Yeah, tell me. Sorry. No doubt. At least online children put thumbs up. Like the video. Understood na beta? Yes, very good. Where is Shanvi? Ready? Shall we go for the next question, please? Noted? Understood, beta? Which one? Super, very good. Correct only. Now look here. What you did there, beta? Again you took common na, Amrish? Second question, children. If you got the answer, I think Amrish has got the answer for that. What is the question? Is look here, Sham. 9a square minus 4b square minus 6a plus 1. Done. Now, beta, we will take a part one side. Everything we are taking one side. So 9a square minus 6a plus 1 minus 4b square. So here, beta, this will be write it as 3a whole square minus 2 into 3a into 1 plus 1 square. Now 4b square can be written as 2b whole square because we have taken square of it. 2b we have taken square of it. Okay. So now once we have taken square of it, now this part will become what, beta? 3a minus 1 whole square minus 2b whole square. Done. 3a minus 1 whole square minus 2b whole square. So this part will become what? 3a minus 1 minus 2b and here 3a minus 1 plus 2b. Because a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. Understood? Come on, go for it. Do it. You can do it. Not here thumbs up. In the like button you have to press. What the super intelligent students are having. In YouTube, you have to put a like button is there, thumbs up is there, you have to put thumbs up. See, my students are like me only, learning. Come on, check it. Did you got it? Huh? Huh? Third sum? Shall we go for the third sum? Done? Now look at this one done, everyone. Come on, say fast. This one done? Laugh, laugh. Very nice. There is one thumbs up and like button. There's a like button there in YouTube. You have to put like. Okay, monkey. No, you need to solve it. Now we'll go for the next one. Bhavya must be knowing. Come on, we'll go for it. The next part is a to the power 4 minus 16 b to the power 4. First 16 factor we are going to find out. What is the factor of 16? It will become 2, 8, 2, 4, 2 and 2. So 2 is coming how many times? 4 times. So it will become a to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 4 b to the power 4. So we can write here as a to the power 4 minus 2b to the power 4. Understood? So exactly now I am coming together 2b to the power 4. So here now it is coming in which formula? Our formula is a square minus b square. But the problem is a4 minus b4 is given. So we first need to convert it into a square minus b square. Understood? A square minus b square. So first what we will do here? We will write a square inside square outside. Because 2 2s are 4. Now minus 2b inside square and outside square. Did you got it? Inside square and outside square. Inside square and outside square. So once you are writing inside square and outside square, now it is coming in which format? A square minus b square. 4 we have split as 2 and 2. What we did 4? We split 4 as 2 and 2. So here it will become a square plus 2b whole square. Is it correct? Huh? No, it will not be correct. Because here it is exactly like this. 2b whole square outside square. Because it is 4, 16 now. It is 16. Now are you understanding correct? Just listen better nicely. What I did here is I split 4 as 2 and 2. So 1 2 is inside, 1 2 is outside. So now one time it will become 2b whole square and then it will become a square minus 2b whole square. Done? Now beta this part will become a square plus 2 to the 4 b square. And here now again it is a square minus b square format. Check. One time it will become a plus 2b. One time it will become a minus 2b. A plus 2b and a minus 2b. A plus 2b and a minus 2b. Come on, check this one out. Did you got this answer? A plus 2b, a minus 2b. Did you got this point, Beta? Come on, do it. Is it done? Shall we go for the next one, please? Come on. Super. We'll go for the next question, please. Written now. So polynomial is a tough question or easy one? Come on. Can you say? Till now, polynomial is coming easy now. Now, beta, one word is there. I need to explain you what is called as zeros of polynomial. If somebody will say zeros of polynomial means what is the value of the variable which will make the polynomial equal to 0. That's why it is called as zeros of polynomial. Why it is called as zeros of polynomial? It is exactly called as zeros of polynomial when it will make the polynomial equal to 0. So only it is considered as what? Zeros of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial. Very good. Easy. Now here, then you need to say that if p of x is equal to x minus 1, x plus 2, then x minus 1 is a factor of, or x plus 2 is a factor, or px is divisible by both x minus 1, x plus 2, or all of them. This is an MCQ question. What is the answer here? All of this is the correct answer. Now please understand this one very nicely because it's a very, very important question. You need to understand this part. Okay. See, first important thing is when you are solving any polynomial, just check this one out. When you are solving any polynomial, like p of x, I'm just first doing here. Like p of x is written, and here it is just I'm showing you so that you can be able to understand it nicely. Now look at it. So when it is written as x square plus 3x plus 2 is there. So first we need to middle split. How we are going to do middle split this one? We will see what is coefficient here is constant term is 2. Here constant term is what? 2. So here constant term is 2. Constant term is 2 and here coefficient is 1. So one constant term is 2 and coefficient is 1. So what we will do is we will middle split. So here we can write here x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. Understood? X square plus 2x plus x plus 2. Okay? Very good. I think Radha. Okay, you have given the correct answer, beta. Just check this one out. Now here, what we will do, we have taken x common, it will become x plus 2. Take 1 common, it will become x plus 2. So now here x plus 1 and x plus 2 is there. Now beta, understand one thing very nicely. I'll prove you today and it will be with you always. Now please pay attention. These are called as factors. What this x plus 1 and x plus 2 is called as factors. So in polynomial, remember one thing again, I am explaining it very nicely children. Just try and understand this part. Okay. Try and understand this part. Like if somebody, just get this point, if somebody will write x square plus 3x plus 2, x square plus 3x plus 2. Now here, 3x will become 2x plus 1. 3x will become what? 2x plus 1. We did middle split. After doing middle split, we took x common because there x is square and here 2x is there. What we have taken common as x. What we have taken common as x and here plus 1. So what we have taken common here as 1. Now here x plus 1 is common. So we have taken, x plus 2 common. So we have taken out x plus 2. What is the leftover part? X plus 1. Now here x plus 1 and x plus 2 is always known as factors. What they are known as? Factors. Always remember, x plus 1, x plus 2 will be considered as factors. What they are considered as? Factors. So is it easy for you to understand now? What they are called as? Factors. And you know, factors can divide the polynomial. How? Let's check this one out. Long division method I am solving and I am going to explain you. Look at x plus 1. How it is going to divide? X square plus 3x plus 2. First, I need one x here. X into x. Now here both are plus, so what I am going to put? Minus. Cancel. 1 will multiply with x. What it will become? 1x. So I am understanding better? So here it will become x. Now here minus. What is the new sign with x? Minus. So 3x minus x will become 2x. Absolute concept. So now Sham, what we are going to multiply here is 2. So now it will come 2 into x, 2x minus cancel. 2 ones are 2 minus cancel. So what is the factor coming? X plus 1 and x plus 2. So what conclusion we have drawn from here is these are called as factors. These are called as factors. What these are called as? Factors. And these factors can satisfy what? Equation. These factors can satisfy equation or polynomial. So these factors will satisfy the polynomial. These factors will satisfy the polynomial. I hope you might have understood. So here in this question, x minus 1 is what? Factor. What is x plus 2? Factor. So x minus 1 and x plus 2 can divide this one. Easily it can divide. Okay. So that means p of x is divisible by both the factors. So factor always divides the polynomial. What does factor do? Factor divides the polynomial. So correct answer is all of these. I hope you got the point. Please say all of these. Yes, option B. Come on, go for this question, please. Try this question, beta. Take your time and do it. This is CBSE term question. This is CBSE term question. Try this question out. These videos will be available in YouTube. Anytime you can study videos. Is it okay? So whenever doubts will come, means you can only refer. Understood? Just go to that timeline where you have doubt. Clear. Now say beta, the polynomial p of x is equal to x to the power m plus x, where m is greater than 1. M is the degree. That means it can be having any degree greater than 1, strictly greater than 1. Means it cannot have degree 1, it can be having any degrees greater than 1. After that, what they are telling? When divided by x minus 1, given that a is a positive for it, please. They are asking leaves the remainder 6. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Given that a is a positive integer, what is the value of m? What can be the value of m? Come on, think nicely. This is an easy question, but yet it is a tricky question. Huh? 3. Okay. Let's check this one out because we know dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We know this point. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Child is telling answer is 6. Okay. Arunisha is telling answer is 6. Child is telling answer is option B 6. Okay. Are you telling this question answer as 6? This answer you are telling as 6. Come on, say. Okay. What made you say that the highest degree of M is 6? Leaving remainder 6 and having degree 6. These are two different things. See, the polynomial, I'm writing it. Come on children, let's go for it. The polynomial, come on children, go for it. Let's check this one out, please. The polynomial p of x, one by one, please check this one out. Now look at polynomial given to you is p of x is equal to x to the power m plus x is there, where m is greater than 1. But we don't know what is actually m degree. Okay, come on, right? Understand this. So when divided by x minus 1, so this is going to be divided. So x to the power m plus x is equal to, dividend is equal to divisor. What is your divisor? X minus 1 into, we don't know what is the question, plus remainder is coming as 6. Given that a is a positive integer, so what is the value of m? You are understanding this. So we will do one small work, one small, very small work we will do. We will assume to check the point. Means what can be the remainder? Okay. So let us take, our options are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So first as is 6. Okay. 2, 3, 5 and 6. So first we are taking it as 2. Okay. So x minus a is dividing x square plus x. So it will become x square minus cancel. It is coming as, come on, go for it, minus ax plus. So it is coming as ax plus x. So what is exactly going to be? Here it is coming as a will be multiplied x square. Now x will multiply with x will become x square. Now minus a will multiply with x, it will become minus ax. Down will become plus. So it is coming as beta a plus 1x. Correct? So now a plus 1x. So here we will arrange it nicely. A plus 1x. Now we will multiply it with a plus 1. When we are multiplying it with a plus 1, so a plus 1 multiplied with x will become a plus 1x. Correct now? X multiplied with a plus 1 will become a plus 1x. Minus cancel. Minus a will multiply here. It is minus a plus 1 plus. Now a plus 1 equal to 6. A plus 1 is equal to 6. There is remainder is coming as 6. So 100% if we will check, is it going to come a square plus a equal to 6, a square plus a minus 6 equal to 0. Correct? Now a square, if we will take it, is it coming, a is coming as positive integer or not? We will first check. Then it will fill our concept. It will fill our concept. So here, if we will write here, it will become plus 3a minus 2a minus 6 equal to 0. A is coming as a plus 3 minus 2a plus 3. So a value is coming as, one time a is coming as minus 3, one time a is coming as 2. So one positive integer it is given. Okay. So that means, can we take the lowest degree as 2? Can we take the lowest degree as 2? Come on, check. Children, check that one out. Or can we check that x minus a, x minus a. So now positive now. Now let's check this one out. We are going to put there 2. Now x square plus x is there. Now if x will be multiplied, it will become x square minus 2 cancel. It is coming as minus 2 plus. It is coming as 3x. Is it coming as 3x? So here we will put plus 3. So 3x coming minus cancel. Minus 6 plus. Is the remainder coming 6? Bingo. What is our answer? Lowest degree is coming as 2. What is the lowest degree of m? 2. First shot itself we got the answer. Are you understanding? First shot itself we got the answer. We need not to go further on. Okay. So I just started with a itself. They did not disturb us. Correct now? What we did actually? We divided x minus a with this. What we are getting? This factor. Once factorized, we got two values. One value is coming as minus 3, another value is coming as 2. So here we were dividing by x minus a now. So instead of a, what we put? 2. And after solving, what we are getting remainder? 6. In question also, what remainder they are given? 6. So our concept is clear and correct. I hope you might have understood. Come on, child, everyone, come on, tell. Now you understood this one? Huh? This question clear? This video will be available to you. Again, if you want, you can see this section. Okay. What is the factor of this? Come on, factorize first. Children, start factorizing it. Start factorizing it fast. It's an easy factorization. You can do it. Come on. Yes.